Talofa, everyone. It's Coach Will from Slimmer Stronger You. I just wanted to wish all of our mothers here in American Samoa and wherever you are a very happy Mother's Day weekend. Yes, it is Mother's Day, so take some time out today to call mom or wish mom a happy Mother's Day or send her wishes, best wishes for this wonderful day. Here at Slimmer Stronger You, we want to wish you, mom, a very happy Mother's Day and thank you for all that you do and all that you continue to do for your family, for our community, and for all of us. We all benefit from what mom does at home in raising your children and helping your spouse and in taking care of your work or wherever you do in life. Ia ole tatu baiaso nei ole nevo iaso e fia moli atu le whamunianga I tele mo tātou tina umalava e ne Amerika Samoa. Ia mai le mato pokalama nei Slimmer Stronger You. Ina ia maua pe o tuas e o tau le soifua malolo ina. Ia maua se aso sa tina Manuia. Ia whamanui tele le tamai langi a te o tau tina. Whaftai tele mo ngaluenga leo tō whaia e le ngata tono tō ainga. Tono e kālesia. Ai mese lau fo I tono ngaluenga. Ia man tato atunu nei. Whamanui atu le sa tina a te o tau. Ia ne Amerika Samoa. Ai mese fo I po whia lava langi o e iai. Ia man tua o ortina. Ia o se silion tā ua. Se tasi silion tā ua I tono le ainga. Ia manuu. Malalawhanga. Ia mese tato malo. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. We love you guys. It's Coach Will from Slimmer Stronger You. This is why for life.